Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your security protocols with Bitstamp, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bitstamp account using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the security options tab, which contains various security features. Check for two-factor authentication, or 2FA, and ensure it is enabled. If 2FA is not enabled, follow the prompts to set it up using your mobile authenticator app. Next, review your withdrawal whitelist settings. Consider adding withdrawal addresses that you frequently use for added security. Proceed to check your email verification settings to ensure your email is confirmed. Make sure that you have strong, unique passwords for your Bitstamp account. If you haven't changed your password recently, it may be wise to update it. Look for any connected devices or sessions in your account settings. Sign out of any sessions that you do not recognize or that seem suspicious. Review recent activity logs for any unusual transactions. If you spot anything suspicious, report it to Bitstamp support immediately. Consider enabling withdrawal limits to add an extra layer of security. Finally, familiarize yourself with Bitstamp's security resources and best practices for ongoing protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.